So who says you can't take a big bike off-road? Actually, no one says that, but some people think it. Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna take a great big adventure bike on some trails you probably shouldn't take a great big adventure bike on. For tires, nothing special, just some 50/50 on off-road, stock suspension. We're burning daylight. Let's get to Vinton County. So it's a beautiful sunny day out here today, and if you have been watching my channel, this is a little bit of a repeat. A few days ago we came down and hit a lot of these same trails. Now it's a week later and I'm back on the GS and we're going to give it a shot. It is a beautiful day, but we've got the Nova Scotia forest fires in Canada, smoke all in the area, so hopefully there's not a whole lot of picking up the bike today, and overall the air quality is just terrible. Wish me luck. So this road can be in pretty bad shape. I would almost consider this good shape. Coming up this thing when there's no gravel, rock in it at all, and it is just slick, man, it can be tricky. All right, the first real test. Got a little rain last night. The one thing I noticed already, or on the 890, don't go right there, I can get out of that wet stuff, and on the GS, it's a little harder, especially with 50/50 tires. That's a nice little drop off. Just, uh-oh. Let's see if I can get out of this rut. That worked out. I thought I smelled a logging truck. Up in the way up yonder, up in the mountains of Vinton County, and so far the BMW is just tearing it up. I'm loving every minute of it. However, we're just now getting ready to go down Beach Fork. It'll be the first kind of serious test. Not that it's real difficult, just that if you just happen to lay it down, it's going to be a mess. But we're not going to do that. This is probably the spot that makes it so you can't get up. That drop off, and it is twice as bad as last year. It is just straight. Definitely got a little bit tighter grip on this bike than I do my 890. Just kind of feel like it wants to do what it wants to do. Not quite as nimble, but boy was it comfortable getting here. Yeah, that was a little questionable. I know the camera doesn't do it justice. So I bought this bike to take my wife with me, so I hope she's not watching this video. Probably doesn't look steep on the camera, but it's definitely steep. Not gonna lie, on the 890 that didn't seem difficult, and on the GS that was sketchy. My bike's too wide. My only chance is if I could stay on this. It's pretty dry. Wow, though, man, if I got off of here, I'd be done. Well, we came out here to do stupid stuff. If I can just stay up here until like there, then I can probably get on the right side. What do you think? Smart move? Just go, huh? It's a little slickery. Okay, so far so good. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, that had me puckered up. I can only imagine dropping this thing handlebar first towards one of those ruts. So, yeah, don't do that. That's not a very good idea. Unless you make it, then it's a great idea. Whew. Getting a workout. Ow! Bee just got my god helmet. Ow, why did it sting me? I didn't even do anything. So I haven't rode this Sowers road this year, and hopefully I'm remembering it correctly. I think it's just got a real hard downhill. Okay, so it does have an uphill. Uh-oh. That was a rookie move right there. I looked where I didn't want to go. Yeah, this is got a tricky uphill. I don't know if I'd be comfortable sending anybody on a big bike up this. Ooh, that felt like a a fender bender, a rim bender. I should definitely walk up there and look. I don't know. That's a pretty good little mud hole. I'm not sure the high route's going to be any better. Go on the right side, and when we get up there to that mud, we're just going to go. What do you think, Virginia? Let's give her a go. The old GS, it's full of surprises. Whoop, there went the bag. Well, shittles. I was wondering if that would ever happen. Okay, well, I went ahead and took the bags off since one was already off. I put them on the back. We'll deal with a little bit of the top heavy. Right, because it doesn't look like it gets any better here. I'm going to be hitting stuff all the way up this hill. This is where the issue arises, because I think I have to go this way to get out of here, and that does not look good. Gosh, it's so off camber. Right now, this is the best option. Once you get it to here, you're good. Okay. Well, here goes nothing. We're either going to make it out or we're going to move in. Here we go. We got one shot. That GS didn't even act like it was a thing. Sweet. Woo! Sorry. That's one of them momentum beats confidence, because my confidence was low. I'm gonna have to get up on that center. Stay up here, baby. Yeah, you got it. Oh, first time I ever saw this trail, I got up to this point on the 890, I think. I can't remember for sure. And I was like, nope. And I turned around and went back down. I feel like I just accomplished something. I don't know, man. I've been in a lot of positions, especially when I was out west, where I'm like, this is not going to end well. I shouldn't be here. All those things you say, and then you just keep pressing on, and before you know it, you're through it. It's just like, oh, okay. It feels good too. I don't know how to explain the feeling. It's like studying for a test for a week and getting an A, except it only took 15 minutes. Well, as we're wrapping up the day here, we're cruising up Ladybird. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, about took her down. Well, it's been a successful day. A lot of these things that I did today, most people would not try on a GS 1250. At least most logical people. But I am going to get a route set up out here in the next couple weeks for you idiots like me to have a go.